Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about Vivo Y73 phone. In this video guys, we will talk about how to check serial number in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to check your phone serial number in your Vivo phone, so guys you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check serial number in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start the video. Friends, first of all open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Guys click on about phone and guys click on software information, and as you can see a serial number in your Vivo phone. Guys, serial number 963865290006F. So I hope friends you have understood how to check phone serial number in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.